Happy New Year for all man. We don't shit on now for see wait away the new year. It don't bring them. We don't live the old year. We don't enter now for the new year, and with the salute all man way. It don't do good work for support this program for the year we be passed. Me at speed now for say me will go before. For our speed in this me use yourself, you get for enter for inside with Facebook page, try way for share them. Go for we YouTube channel, try way for contact with from NJANGI house, and then share the link so that me people them they copy them and then subscribe. What the main news for inside the New Year day? We go talk Palava strike for work at them for inside Nyong Ekele. They talk say so plenty money the way mayor and parliamentarian get for them and in order to them can reach today. Then too they never put pot for of fire. We go talk Palava how it happen for side where they call them for Douala. Now this one where this countryman where na parliamentarian for side from Cambe, it be give cow 3 cow for population for side for Bonaberi. Say me the take for pot for on top fire. Now we all mommy them they will come out, we picking them, we papa them for can't take that small one so that me it got a bless them on top of fire. So it be give them 2 rice for say me rice a work fine with cow meat. After we go getting with this countryman, it go talk why he decide for give a cow for this country people them. When we be feeling now, we be turn again for see how night if they for inside Bonaberi for enjoyment. People them be flop, can musician them where they come out for side for Southwest, they can sing for inside Bonaberi. It not be easy. Then we want come on now, we could talk again which one. Now the one where we happen for Manfe, they're on they stand now with number. They talk to this on number 1 day for 2024. ABB now an inside fee where mayor for a Manfe Council and the commissioner for site for police section for site for Manfe. All them they be joined, they form two team, and then the Ndamba it be end now 4-4. After the countryman says it go talk. When they be finish for talk, and then they be work out for inside town. They work out for town, and then march, dance, talk to this so devil where they hide, me it disappear, me peace, it come for side for Manfe. We come on now, we come back again for inside Douala for see now, native boy. He said this so ye on na for thief, thing way not na on. Now we see some woman back. People then follow him, catch him for road way to go for cheffery for kilometers saying. Then knock him, last. Ye says he go piggy birth certificate, he decide for solo him. We go international side where they call and say waiting now for Bavosam, quarter where they call and say Kungang, quarter where 18 people them they don't drink matango last, then say they kick bucket, where it is shows so they don't put them for bedding ground. Matango where they don't drink for 50 years, why not only for New Year Day where it killed them. We go talk about this one now. Now New Year for side for Baminda. When I say when I don't see her, I will show Christmas for side for Baminda. We bomb it be fire, but for New Year, all man it be enjoy. Those where they be working for town, and then those where they be go for church, those where they be sit down for bar, for yeting when Kunkuba they talk and then people and too where they be then inside snack nightclub for side for Baminda. That means they be enjoy New Year for that side in the proper. When we finish now, we go talk this one. When a title holder for side for Binjang village for that side for Donga Mantum division. Now fund for Binjang where it be put a title cap for Soye Pikin. Yes, for a Pikin. Now in that way they call it now time for me. Yes, now time for me. As when I see him, now fund for Binjang, it don't put the time for me and now Pikin. So this boy, as they put in this title, He decide one time for go cook and then give chop for Wakoda member them for side for Chokokam. It not be easy. Now when we finish now, we go see Yeting way Mayor for Manfe Council, Mr. Tabanchong Robinson Asho. We could talk concerning thing way President Pobia Ebe Bluam for number 31 day for December. Same story, it talks about it, same story, it tell we say, now only person we get caught for vote, where the sabi say fly, it get teeth. Now only person we get caught for vote, where the sabi say fly, it get teeth. The same story, it come out for side, it come out for side for Ekona and Napa. Crisantos is sent for we for Ekona and Ma Regina is support for side for Dumbu, it then for that side for Mr. J subdivision and for Donga Mantum. For Northwest Cameroon, say we SSF, it don't start the work back for January for NJANGI house. Now NJANGI will come back when I go shine eye on top team we don't bring up. Happy New Year again for una second time, when too much and when I say self, when I work now work for God. We will start now chapter 1. Now this council work on them for Nyong Ekele, where they don't talk to so you know the worker. You know the worker for them because Christmas they never chop. New Year again, he make this woman he decide he should for down. After he move you closer so mayor you be commander for the years number 34 and for this place where you last get all your sense because you become over the. Why we not get for torment the workers and for council now even they talk say so plenty salary they way mayor and parliamentarian they never give for them. And then they talk say so in mayor and parliamentarian they know she don't check sense for pay them. That means say so the next election where they come they say they go vote for different party and another time we they go understand say so now different person it could be mayor and different person it could be parliamentarian. And there was one where this country people that they talk now say mayor and parliamentarian that they fold them say they so that they cut their money go put them for say MPS. Then too they don't work a konya go there for say MPS. They hip eye inside say MPS their book they see say they so even their council you know they for inside. Ha say their council you know they for inside. So now when they talk say they so this matter it don't the council on kind way. They say now council for that side for Misondo na for inside Nyong Ekele for that side. So now wait that way this countryman is the try for explain for we. We come over that one now because they get for pay them since that to the man it don't blow the talk. That me say he more come out. This one of Bonaberi and presidency for Honorable Ngala Gerard where he call all man where they should for that quarter say they so meet and come. This one for back about Tokyo or for back this one where they conservative we don't call them because now advertisement. So snag where they for Bonaberi for back now the way this man they should on. So he bring tea where they come say rice. After I talk say they so they never chop rice empty. When I will see the countryman because they only talk say Honorable Ngala Gerard plenty people them they don't know in. Now in this they man where they will up down where they talk where they show finger. So now he decide for buy 3 cow and buy pickup for rice for shade and for a population. And population be there more than 2,000 where they don't can take na the cow than that. Now 2 this and 1 day for up now 1 this it make 3. Because for Cameroon we be Thomas we get for count and fine. So now this 3 cow where this countryman he buy them he talk to this so it is tradition. Now so they make it all time. Now larger than this where they carry them for site where they call them for abattoir then bring up. And they don't slaughter all. They be slaughter all the 3 cow. They say they so take your on. Now the countryman this when a Honorable Ngala Gerard now parliamentarian for side from Cambe. This man na man way it ever divide. Because now he know people them for inside quarter. So when 5 man picking the woman, 5 woman more day. Now he madam for Honorable Ngala Gerard for those who they don't know. Now he madam that. So he says every day say they so he get for prepare for those where they go come for us for can enjoy New Year because nothing way it ever happen. So all man be come up for quarter. Don't wait again na back. Don't wait again na mulonga say they so honorable. Till what you do for this quarter, God will continue to bless you. This one na Joe. Now this woman be Joe for Cameroon. He don't go retirement. So they should have for that quarter. He say they so all man way should have for quarter. Honorable Ngala Gerard it dey on different because it dey help the poor people them. So now when they start when they discuss now they take out and that when I wait when I live for Siam so that when I sabi talk as when I talk mass see only population See on the population, they don't scatter all the cow. They say any man for line. All man Montana for line. When LTM one show am fine. Take all time so that me see am all. Now so they butcher am. Cut am hap. So that me them put am for me any man carry am for Mulunga go tam. Those where they carry am for Rapon. When I see am, see only population. And then they say they divide na medicine for Corolla. Only population. Only the population. So the man they talk it on. They want talk it on. They want talk it on. Now blessing where they give am for this honorable. So when I see am no, those where the chances sometimes a lie. LTM don't make an army. You see am all. Maybe ask am for countryman, Mr. Honorable. Why you they ever decide for the buy cow they give am for these people them for Bonabedi? Talk me with here.
People's representative, I did ever make sure say, may I share with my neighbor them. People where they live around me from my neighborhood, for make sure say why would they feast for inside house they took with the feast for their own homes. So now what I say each 31st we get couple of cows, rice and some other financial assistance for help them, make they also get a share for end the year positively as we don't live together and for start the new year positively so that we 2024 will go well inclusively and for also make sure say this so the neighbor then smile for their house. It be true say we don't help one each and every one of them in one way or the other with their difficulties where they get them, but this one I come together every 31st where it be tradition and where they know them. So most of them they wait on this day, they know say they count on the support from Honorable Ngala for live well and for feast well. So I believe in a tradition where we maintain them every 31st. I will continue so because as neighbors we are each other's keeper. So we need for the leave to look to other my back so that if something will happen to man now you be keeper, now you be guard. When it will happen for you be a guard. We live in peace, we walk in peace, and that's why more country Cameroon go for forward. You know, we need for live together, whether you come on for English speaking region or you come on for French speaking region, you'll be Douala, you'll be Bamileke, you'll be Wimboum. We live together as Cameroonians. This small language, you know, so we'll divide we. Now what I see the day for here from all villages, from all regions, the day for here, so more celebrate this day. Now what they do every tradition. So we live together. So now the important thing that we do. No, but this my message now say make we enter 2024 all in peace. For make sure say especially for Northwest and Southwest, say may peace return. Make the few people where they bring disorder for community them, make them know say this so as we president be talk say may they come na papa, make we sit down together. Look problem where the world will go for front, make they come. That problem not only there for we head. Why would they feel so we think about people from those regions? Say make we live all in the way the worry we not feel divide ourselves because of language. Come together, build with country. If we build a country where all man will live there fine, enjoy fine. So I wish them a very peaceful 2024 where minds them could be transformed so that made it think good about Cameroon, made it think less about negativity, think more about positivity so that more build with two regions, more build Cameroon and so that Cameroon could emerge. It could emerge with all of us from all the 10 regions. Nobody will stay behind.
They don't gather because I don't talk for now. First, my name is Sia Daniel. I don't be the gather na any year. Honorable medicine na any year. It give it down. It help people them. All Bonamikano, surtout for Bonamatumbe, they know it for that action. Honorable na man for principle. I don't also talk say the man for principle. Na man way self government for up. They must put eye. They see na the kind of man way we need them. We want them because they help we all. It help we all. I don't know if I don't want to talk plenty. I talk the way I need it for my own limit. So that honorable, make God make it go so for before. Yes. Oh man go here more because any man don't come out, they don't come for taclage. For can't damn no. Honorable give that so damn anytime for people them. They say that today honorable give them. Oh man they say they are more them for touch them. And na me I dey chargé for give them for people them. Now so any year na me honorable put them for before. So say I give people them. Oh man go here baba mo. Only man don't call na for what damn. So that all my prayer and I say honorable so before may get better place so before you can have we so for end. Now all I want to for that. On n'aura non plus de lumière. You don't believe lumière, we be for dark. Do roof for pavé, you don't take them from for up. Take Bonamicano, go finish stuff for Bonamatumbe. When I honorable, we be working for mot. Honorable come so, he say, the road could pass. And the road pass. If a possibility be say government feel to give step D1, all we population here we go glad and we also sustain government because we want that kind of people the way that they work with your heart. The population, now all motion we give for that.
Where this countryman, he don't talk him. Now the population that way the more yamo as this man, he don't talk him. Now we be turn back again for them for see whether they so they chop, he don't done or he never done. Now in that people be calm and then they should on one place 12 midnight in one ring, then say they so bonane, any man he try way for call ye mommy or ye pa or ye woman for side with they salute picking them and then salute family member them. All man be enjoy. You see what I'm saying? And they be win now wide for sure say they so na peace. Say na peace. Some yes, now the family for honorable that where they said the day they wait 12 midnight and then they so they embrace themselves. They talk say they so it no go easy. Can't motombo people them be come for day. Can't motombo people them be day. Even some motombo people them when now come before say we. Yes, small time they go sing for day. Yes, that people them where they work at them too and where their mommy be born they only them too. So they be come for day. They nang motombo renew too. Chris B, please, I say Bendy Katu, another can't and go for the. All the people they say they so God try way for protect all man for this 2024. Me people they not die again careless. Me accident not be. Yes. I say can't people in the day. I know say well, you know that man we don't kiss. And that man will get that television we did for that for Marché the chef. He says every day. So then we why then talk say so me any man a love your brother, love your sister, love your neighbor, and hell be. Yes. You see me we see that people and say well, yet how they repay. Now who them that? Yeah, put on me with you no.
Ready? Happy New Year. Ready? Happy New Year. Il ne sait essayer de trouver en amour il faut se porter il faut toujours être content
tu ne travailles pas them say go to school you remain for quartier DJ drop it let's go now we about to turn it up. A 1, a 2, and let's go! Hey! How you feeling tonight? Hey, 2, 1, a 2, see, let's go! Hey, Kério, on fait comment? Joli bébé, on fait comment?
Say this so where you get them, you try way for give for people. Say we. But we never see them. So honorable send we on to for this side. Yeah, me when I know only farote for that side, when I farote too for this side. Say we. You know you talk? Okay. If you do not talk, time we go farote, me say I go talk say na so. So after this enjoyment, we go now for site for Manfe. For see how people then for Manfe they organize their own way for chop New Year. Yes. Manfe people and they chop their own New Year for some different style. where people don't know they expect them. Say we for Manfe. Mayor of Manfe be being a captain for another team. Now in that. Now captain for this team. And then commissioner. For commissariat for Manfe, I will show you the person. He says be captain. He said so you get for nang number. Now in this, when I don't see I'm no. The man where they will blow. Now commissioner that. So they say that's how they go celebrate their own new year now inside field. Because Ndamba now they bring peace for inside village and for inside subdivision. So the Ndamba last end now he end 4-4. They say that's another correct for them. They work at all junction, go for SDOE junction, go for city for council, and they be knocked the Ndamba so now for council fee. Yes, for self for Manfe, people come out now in that. For make a me when I know that so if trouble there was on site, we now only bring now competition. When I was saying this, so all thing will finish. Go put top for play with problem day. Me all man a come out for side every day. When I was saying this, so peace could come back for thee. Okada people and the last talk today so we be being a supporter them. Now we get the work and now turn the home ban fee for chapter for peace. We have seen that man. If the Toxic Commission of Finland number, you know, agree. You the Toxic so Mayor for Manfe, Robinson, Tabenchong, Ashu, say Finland number. Time we don't finish, now in that it will make come so that make peace come. Say me when I tell $1, tell $1, go buy a small thing you chop. Now commissioner that. Hey, this youngest commissioner. This one is the youngest commissioner for the whole Cameroon. So it talks to this, so all this one where they make come now for work send announcement for any man will get band member. Say 2023 it don't finish. And the mayor this. 2023 don't finish, now 2024 don't come. That means a new year, new fashion. Year don't finish, it don't go with on fashion. Okada people and they work with all the authority them, they work all side for Manfe. Yes, now their own way this for celebrate their own new year. Now, me we ask for the mayor, why when I decide for organize now football? Talk me with your mayor.
Today na Monday 1st of January 2024. We be very happy for Manfe, though we get a big grief because of the 26 people that we killed them for a backup. But then we don't take the bull by the horn. Today we don't talk say the youth, the population of Man, you give us stand as one person to support the forces of law and order. I join my voice with the Minister of Territorial Administration, where he talks say even Lucifer don't reject Ambazonian struggle, don't reject Ambazonians. Yes, Manu people too don't reject Ambazonians, and we must put our hands on deck to kill the common enemy. Now the time now, enough, and now we must kill the common enemy. I want to thank the Commissioner of Police, where they organize a friendly encounter. We just come up for few, the bike riders and the police will play a fair game and we get to enjoy ourselves today. Today we not get any ghost town for Manfe, any ghost town for my division. We say we stand with the forces of law and order. We stand with President Popia. We stand as a country. We stand as a region. We stand as a division, and we stand as a municipality. Thank you very much.
Outside, we turn back for inside the wall for see what will happen for side for kilometers saying. Now back when I was here, and this back now some woman we go take money. For some corridors, say they so one go divide them for meeting people them. And the meeting people them we don't feel it for your house. Then we don't take the money one time choke inside this bag. As he come on top Okada, man way talks the rest of the bag on, he can sweep him. Fiang! Now so Okada people them for answers on them they follow him. He take road for go for side for Sheffield for kilometers saying and we then catch him. As they catch him, they say they so they not go respect law for Cameroon. I tell them say they so law for Cameroon it catch all man. They say na lie. Now when they start the pound them, I say man go die yo. When gendarme go come, they go catch person. They say na lie. They carry the ball, can't choke inside this gutter hole. When you come out here, you go by the left, you go for the near poto. People flock. I say people them be flock. Gendarmerie national for side from Kolulu, it come. For can come out to man for inside gutter, it can pass them because don't quarter be come out say this so now petrol this and now matches this if they want say me them born motor for governor. So they say they see say this so if they born motor for government That means that them now, they go for prison. So they decide say this, so they go use power, they call and fall. Then we take us a hala, all man enter for underbet. Say this, so under the pepper where they inside, na keep man pay. So last, the boy, he don't last, go find side where he birth certificate day, he take him, he chew him, he swallow him. So no they again alive. Another thing we happen, na some Wimbom boy, we be the worker with motor after a makes him more accident with Okada man. And then Okada people them follow Isote, he last go kill people them for Amidele. We now all man is cry on a family member where he don't die for this new year. We talk Asha say nothing where it ever happen. Now God you know why. We talk now what will happen for side for Kunga or Nakunga. Okay, Tungang. Yes, Tungang Quarter. When I confuse me with that name, they say Tonga. So one say Tunga. So what? Tungang village, you get chief. Okay. When you see all the place for Matango, for Tungang village. Now that, na play for Matango that. If you drink Matango for here, you just see all that place with you vomit. But now there where people they go take the Matango. Take a for after they take player. Now one night, they dey 13 in number where they don't cover them with bedsheet. Why they cover them? They know the signal sick. They know the signal sick. They say they don't drink Matango. After man say they so in my belly, you know the worker. After say my foot, you know the worker. So one say in my head, so one say in my hand. 13 people them, 13. At the turn at 13, 1 and 3. 13 people then don't go 6 feet. They say this man he don't sell this Matango for this very place for 50 years. People they drink and they don't die. Why now these people then can't drink and die and wait the 13 people them they work anytime together. Other people say no, they don't go out for some place. Other people say no, NJANGI. As for Cameroon, we sabi talk thing where I in Ovasia. Well, that means that these people then they don't bury 13 people in one time. When I Asha, next time me man not doing Matango, even Kai or Afofo because it is born chest. If you burn their intestine, you do work out for up. You mop, it start the red. You chase it sometime. Now better chicken you chop. Way now for don't go burn their intestine before you do. Now person this when they talk to this so sometimes you go tell we what will not happen. Now some bandits hey they calculate how all you come with the non die. You don't know whether the next person will be na he. Well, for side from Pambe, they will ever go for farm, go drink na sha because sha na chop, sha na fufu. But now, mommy want go farm. He don't go buy kai, put them for inside a qua. He buy down a whiskey. Where full Callisto's gentle, he don't deny that whiskey for pepper. There is also buy him, go drink him for bush. Buy him, go drink him. Man go drink him for bush, he go burn the intestine, he go die there. So when I want go work for farm, when I buy Nasha, go drink him. When we talk now about New Year, how they be celebrate for side for Abakwa. Ha! Christmas, it be make people them for Abakwa that last enjoy na underbet. But New Year, I say New Year will be na total enjoyment. That means a peace it don't land for Abakwa. When I see now so Okada they turn, they go for church. They carry passenger church for number 31 day. Now some people them be flow for church. I ask questions say they so when I don't flow for church, so that means say bomb never holla, then say no. God never holla, then say God don't go retirement. Yes. Say they don't last pray so God don't hear that prayer. God he go for retirement. So the day now for peace. Oh my joy. I don't want to say no, Pastor, as I the dancer no will go me back for my quarter. Because my go for quarter and then God is come back again for a walk. Because for Cameroon, when person go for retirement after rappeler à l'autre fonction. Because na so it is. Sometimes they feel rappeler gone and come back again. So they last sleep now inside church. Enjoyment for inside church, it not be easy. Now, Bamina, for those who do not be see him, LTM go show you, show I'm fine. Me, you see him all. When I see the one where they enjoy inside church, the one that go outside, Okada, they wait passenger for go house. Yes, they say they so they go work suited for sharp morning time. And they be work suited for sharp morning time. We won't go now. We see how people know she don't for off-licensing. For the follow thing way, President Paul Biya, they talk for that number 31 day for December. Then Now when they don't finish, see and yet when they talk, because Kunkuma be tossed so. Palava Latri, where they go now? They come now, they spoil you fish, fridge, spoil you kako. Say that one not go there again. And Palava road, the way they don't war, then they fix it for 2024. Now talk when Kunkuma don't blow up. We international nightclub, all man they saka for Abakwa. All man for that bar, that's not way. They say they will kill people then for day. And they snag that. So people they will flop inside. Yes, because it will be as some montage. Now kole. Now in that. I see this boy they enjoy downtown. They say they so finally peace don't come. Finally peace don't come. So that we enjoy for upside for Abakwa for night. Ain't that? They enjoy bed road day. They enjoy when I was enjoy road no day. Now in that 2024. Come good. No bring this order. No yeah. So no bring this order. So say we live on. Now this one na the fund for binging. Fund for binging under NJANGI. Where he don't come put title for this boy when na president for binging for Douala branch. They call it now na time for me because fund for your village, he don't put the red feather. Ain't that? Now we there for back, they call and say Shendi. Now ain't that? We that Njap. Yes. So from today they call this boy we there for down. Na time for me. Yes. No me na soft you get na phone. Na phone that. Phone for Benjang na the boy that. He say, as you don't take this title, me you hold Benjang picking them where they should for Douala as now you be president. And me when I begin to go Wakuda meeting, so he be go for Wakuda and now he be end the year. So he be end the year for Wakuda. So now he be cook Wakuda for Saturday where he be pass. Yes. Now he be cook Wakuda for Saturday number 30 day. Now bless that way now picking for USSF be there for all. People be flop. Now mama Joe than that. Now mammy them for Wakuda than that. Where they last, they give this boy this set for pan. Say when you go, yeah, woman begin to cook chop. When you come back for work, now inside here they chop. Because Wakuda and mammy them, they know they ever play. Yes. Now the boy don't know. So we title cap. You know go come up for your head though. You go come up for your head now only time we one put water for your skin. Now that time we that cap will come out. You want sleep, so we time for head. You don't hear no countryman. Nothing way Mama Joe, yes. Now Mama Joe, yes. Now Mama Joe that now Erica. That's what they call them no. Yes. Now woman for Pa Manassas. Yes, Pa Manassas will be military man for side for BBL. So now you woman that. So they sing people and can't support. They say they so time for me, come go and this Saturday where they come. Second Saturday for this month, he could go now go show his title for Mfu Wakuda. Yes. Mfu NJANGI. So this man will go show his title for say me then confirm. Yes, so that mean they confirm. They be dance, then dance, then dance. They say time for me, come go do. Even time for Wakadami Dede. Even Tamban Collins. Yes. Tamban Collins. All them they be there the Tangwang. So they be there plenty. Yes, say we now for my own people, now my people than that. People them for my own village that. So yes, now people them for my own village. Man we not get village or you don't know your family, that one they look na. So now we own family that. No. No, for it to they are not get family. But for the Douala and them that, you see them, and they shine, let me say they chop fine. Say we don't take first for love for 2023. When they say me I give him a die. No, next week I will show when I say we because in this me when I no man where they come and say land this say we. I they shout for every day. Say land this say we when I don't know the person. Say we live am. Next week I will show you for me people that know that man where they come and say we. Now so no? Yeah, in this me they see you. Because when I talk to them so now man where it don't dry. People they say no. That kind of man where get baby name go dry how? Okay, when I will come for LTM can't see say we. Sometimes when I will give you chop. If I say when I give say we chop so that he go chop get skin like me. So that when me I want go for some occasion, yes, they could give we root. Hey! Say we leave that mayor for Manfe, he go talk na tomorrow. Yes, that palava thing we Paul be talk. Huh? Yes, Nana calling. So country people that don't tell when I say this one a new year. Within a 2024. Where you more respect yourself. They say new year, new fashion. Change to your fashion. Me come na good one. Where you want call the program off the volume for your TV. We don't tire. We don't tire country people. Yes, and follow the instructions. Say you more use na 20 seconds for talk. Say we now we will come back. Some more time will be in Malabo. Now, at the way now, we for upside. With the salute man, when they come and say, Tanto Waron for Benchwa, if we go for Benchwa, and then they go work out for Palace, chop foul with the phone. Yes, Tanto Waron, if they wash we for Ansen Sizem. Yes, Tanto Waron. Say we, now number that. When you want call off volume for your TV, come up for inside noise. Enter for room, you talk. Wait till you don't see him, he find you. Wait till you don't see him, he not find you. So that me will fix him. Since that we don't get some broom them. Yes, we don't get some broom them now. We will start the ship Cameroon now. It no go easy. We salute all man for Manfe. We salute all man for that side for Etam. My 20 Tombel. We salute all man for Bangem. We salute to Ekondo Titi. We those who are there for side for Mundemba. Yes, Mundemba play we all man non drop gun. Hello?
Hello, good morning, General MOKO.
Happy New Year, madam. Your honor now you call for which?
Happy New Year. Madam Play also.
Yes. Now correspondent for Turema and for that side for Yasa. Yeah, we hear you.
General MOKO, thank God for everything. The new year really starts for our own side here, not start fine because insecurity over this side. The case of our young boy of 23 years, Jari boy, when at this notice, then the two kids with knife, he died on the 31st night. So since that day, we never perish. They have to do the one who will be up. So I don't know how the feel really help we, how government will help we to make at least some security really stand here firm. And as I talk so just for back my house, we get some coffin where we don't know how they do that coffin, just can't live and only for start here with all that camera where he did it. So I don't really understand. It make me at the overseeing. Me start I come me for and in short I did for you and I see my cover my head. So I don't know where to go because you want for the coffin and that one insecurity to put them the two people knife. On the first again they kill another boy. They took him with knife, he died. So we got very serious problem for you.
Let me say the coffin still there for there.
Yes, I come from there for upstart.
Yeah, when I say for that quarter, when they fear for go video coffin. How a whole quarter go fear for go video?
I don't get for my brother for here when he say he go do the video for me this today.
Hey, when I fear that me say, some more time that coffin go start the worker. Some more time that coffin go start the worker. They knock people that do.
I'm telling you.
Some more time that coffin. When I try way for drive that coffin for that place, I know one year say coffin don't knock my door. Coffin don't do this one. 650608498. Yes. Hello? Hello? Yes, call I don't go. We salute all man for Biamasi. We talk a happy new year for Tanto Tanda. We talk happy new year for Lambert Kiven, and we get on top. We'll talk some more time. Hello?
Hello?
They say me you off volume for your TV now 2024. Me when I no carry head can bring me TV here with them. You want bring your head can bring me TV here?
Hello.
Happy. How are you no countryman?
Yeah, that's very cool. Mama from Bonabere.
Oh, very cool. Man, where the chop now you want?
I told me what
I don't Bonabere. They call number and they reject number. Call number reject. I know the owners. But one live the people for Yaoundé.
No. Oh, no.
Hello. Happy New Year.
I don't know how everybody cut out the copper black
don't be there.
I don't fighting that. I don't be there.
Well, that means you don't miss.
I don't miss. I'm very fighting.
No, I mean, I go tell honorable, say me keep on.
Yeah, I'm fighting. If we do, I do with Tabiki. How we play with Tabiki? We don't tell Tabiki to the
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, this Tabiki will enjoy. How we like give with Tabiki, will make us play that book.
Okay. No, they ever make a vote for Palace for Tabike, no?
For Palace,
yes.
The moment show on trouble, they appreciate it. No, the home is home, no, the Ramoko.
Now, so he did, yes. No, he did make him. So we salute any man we don't slaughter even a one fowl, a chop and we neighbor. It be important. Yes. Hello?
Hey, General, good morning.
Happy New Year, sir.
Same to you, Ibrahim for Damas.
Huh?
Ibrahim for Damas.
Yeah, Ibrahim for Damas.
Yes.
What do you get for we?
Yeah, what you is with me in that competition.
That competition?
Facebook. The team of us with me today.
The one for who side?
For Manfred.
That one for Manfred where they don't try way for playing and no?
Yeah, I tell you, the team with me go past General.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so at least me the other one, they go the other side into imitate them. And so this they come.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, General. Thank you, General.
Salute me all man for side for Damas. Yes, we salute all man from Van and we salute those who did the other side for Ngoso. We salute all man for 11 and we salute all man for Soa. We salute Obala. We salute two people and for that side for Ntui. With the great all man we it follow we for side for Emana. Yes, for side for Emana. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, sir.
Hello?
Good morning. Off the volume for your TV. Yes, you don't offer one countryman. With the great all man for Tonga, we salute all man for Bangante. With the great all man for Bafang, and then we salute those who did it for side for Sancho. Good morning and happy New Year.
Hello?
Good morning, happy New Year.
Yeah, happy for you.
Now God.
Now for work.
Now in this way we did inside, no leave, no transfer. They will maintain and God call them.
Yeah, I support this team when they do and so I find team. And this kind of thing that they bring peace for country.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Do you want where they play ball or which one?
You want where they play the ball so now I see they bring peace because sometimes when they have trouble, you're gonna be able to play ball day. So yeah, some people distract you, forget about that trouble self.
Voila. So
I find team.
okay, you can talk to me any village, me them put cup where they go to play, no?
It be very important because another way we interact and then you know your people, there are people in the village where people meet you, go bring your sister for some place, don't know access.
Uh-huh.
So tell them organize the kind of so you want to see, you know so your sister is on there, you think you want to ask you fair request.
You don't talk fine talk. Hello?
Hello, Jerome, happy New Year.
Happy countryman.
Nathaniel Franklin, I report from Kozwa.
Yes. I hear you, countryman. 20 seconds.
I want to tell you now, on my own small thing, I see me no feed me for day.
Yes.
I see another phone where go give that title for me, so how phone go dress and go. That dressing for phone no be fine. Even for me where they give that title, no be so. My way the way title, or where they give title, the dress how we for me when I go so. You know fine. We be country people, we don't say, we the test for day for modern, no be down with the modern things there.
I say a countryman.
Yes, the General.
You come on over which side for country, yeah?
I come up from Northwest.
Northwest, not in a village.
I come up from Jakiri.
Okay, for Jakiri, no?
Yes.
Okay. But I know go talk, eh? I know what for talk.
I don't say no one for talk.
No, if I talk sometimes it cause trouble. You see, I'm no?
Okay.
Me now you just tell them so after program, when program not together, I go talk. Yes. Hello? Hello?
Hello, General MOKO. Good morning and Happy New Year.
Good morning too for you. Happy New Year. Your own name now who because my own name now General MOKO.
My name now Mr. Pierre. I call from Boya.
Yes. Man for Boya back with the man. We hear you.
General MOKO, wait till you oversweet me. Now wait till Honorable Ngalaji Radiguam. I really appreciate what way they do, and I don't notice and say they do that thing like something where they do every year, and it be very nice. I really wish they make other politicians a copy from you, because all those kind of things the way they do and so they bring together people and they make communities they live together. The peace of the long for now the kind of thing they now need to make politicians they begin doing.
I say countryman.
Yes, John.
Parliamentarian and for cyber boy no be court cow.
I no be see am me General MOKO accord my own for my house here.
Oh. Huh?
Yes.
Yes. Hey, Dima, we know tell you. Good morning, sir.
Happy New Year.
Happy. Come on for that play where you dey so. Hello?
Yes, I'm getting you.
Now who dey talk? You dey na vosa your name now.
Mr. Balen, I am Yaoundé now.
What you get for tell me, mister?
I was just busy all my new people them for inside the summer bank.
So bang. Yes.
Yes, may I send them Happy New Year's for this year.
Okay, you don't say now?
Now here they send them for this region. See me they understand.
They don't say you don't say now. People don't go man. You go start with any motorway they can say. Their brother be saying we brother be saying we New Year, but we you never say now. You see am? Okay, Color Rebel. Okay. Okay, I don't hear. Yes, we don't hear. Another caller there again for line. Me we talk because now they gonna go. Yes. Small time at the go. Yes. So with the time General Oseni, and with the talk happy New Year for General Oseni, we there for that side for Northwest. Now they control all side for that side and they make fine work. Yes. Mr. Lambert, we get for tell we what the way they happen. Hello?
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, madam.
I want talking about Mr.
Gerard. Madam, I don't know whether when I the year 12 or when I year 13. You feel off that volume for your TV or you come so that mean we hear you fine because you the talk TV, the talk, all man don't be confused. Now 2024 this.
I do want to phone away to Mr. Gerard the Drum.
Okay, we not fit talk with this woman because we don't try for correct country people them. Yes. Before we want start, we don't talk. And this thing with the talk will go now more than 7 years. When you want participate for this program, or you want call for talk for this program, me I talk now so. Me, you not put volume for your TV. If you want to put volume, you put them. Me, people that wait there for us, they follow them. Me, you command you for us. Go the talk for us side. Hello?
Hello, General MOKO.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Happy New Year.
Happy. Who they talk the person there for side?
Now I do get for ISO.
Yes, how for ISO?
I think they're fine.
Talk now, the year you 20 seconds.
What appreciate Honorable Gerard, but tell me they do. So if the other parliamentarian them for whom they want to reach them, if you copy that example.
No, now say all the honorable they not be doing at the same thing.
They do they fine.
No, some man be caught cow and then someone caught foul. Someone caught goat. You see them no? Because if you can go bring only foul of cow. You see say you know what cannot come to man.
They will talk to that other way they put title over here. You know do fine. If you give away na country close.
No country close there for inside now say cold. You know you see am? Now
country close. I will carry code.
Country close there inside. Dangandura there inside. You wouldn't
if I move the code, I go block our own culture. You know they show example for the other people them. Yeah.
Okay, I will take that one. Next time, no put code for camp put for person. And me person to where they take title, me use as a
camp. If away some kind close to if you give away a country close, take that title.
I say a countryman.
Yeah.
You know say it so they become for occasion, They be there for occasion. So this for no be no say they so go give title for person. Because tell me say na ancestor they don't tell you for inside that hall, say me give that picking title. So no
country close. So what I did for side
that country close to the over hot and the over heavy. Yes. Hello? Last caller, one go me. Who's the caller day? Okay, me I take me a prophet, man of God. Man of God can't pray for people then. When I pray only for church. Pray now for the whole nation. Hello?
Happy New Year, my brother.
Yeah, Happy New Year, Mr. Prophet. I know say when I prophet when I talk for long.
Yeah, no. Call up for Prince years so.
Mr. Prophet. Hello?
No. Yes, to hospital people see you that see you. So all that people the way they only try to only move fine journalists for the country, so they don't go see you. I say I cancel all their plans for the year. See what they want to for 2023. How they don't face so they don't go ever succeed. So all my prayer that to me be strong. Just so they continue sweeping this country, so that this country go clean. May God bless you for your work where you work. I pray for you every day. I know that one.
Thank you, Prophet. If I not be any talk, no say now man the way they pray for me, eh? Now man the way they pray for me. Because for Cameroon, I say some man go just talk. Yeah, you do fine work. Go before talk all thing. Tomorrow when they catch them, check and that man of it all get say how they pray. Well, they people for Cameroon. But Cameroonians they don't start to understand. Those who they there for up, they don't start to understand. Say, hey, ni say me then talk the truth. Show them say they road a war. Show them say they saw this plane I play with people today. Show them say they saw this thing they get for fees up. They don't start to understand. Because if we so the shit on the talk, no, this way one day fine and we will so lost. Hello?
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, morning, sir.
Yes, no, Mr. Bison for Kumba.
Yes, have a Kumba.
No, we did fine.
When I don't open shop since for morning, no?
If the 7 will stay at the will stay my way, it don't pass, you know, you carry it back.
So have a Kumba today, how will I be celebrate for that side?
All months begin they don't go school for the one way they feel go. The one way they not feel go, sometimes they wait next week.
Okay. No, it been a 5% beginning for school, eh?
Yeah.
Yes, but
with me I see I'm like that competition for Manfi and fine team.
Correct.
Yes. Now I ask and say, you know, said that very mayor for Manfi they give some other competition of say mayor's cup where they try for season for Monday, make go stand no be. They keep people them and then don't cancel no nothing. For 6th of November again when I see another Monday, they be key people them. The people not talk nothing, they can't tell we different thing. Another 1st of November, December this way, 1st of January, we now see another go star Monday. Now find thing for system make go star no be because it will help people them. But like that can't Okada people them where they run for it back. How you protect, how you go protect that people system make the this thing continue like how you the one make it be. Right when me at the answer because you know define for do something where you know go fit follow up and then you put people their life in danger. Who don't tire blood.
Countryman.
Yes.
You did talk so either for office the year now if you could answer you, eh? No,
yes, you go find make the answer with the question because they always come out with a fine initiative, but they need to follow up and finally they go kill different people, the thing die down. You know, go do nothing. So at the look see the Okada people they run for their back, make they cover them position, make they this thing where it come up, make it go for front.
Okay.
But they don't they kill that people them because we don't tire blood from Manfi.
Okay.
When are they
okay. Yes, thing where the man talk be important, eh? Be important. I say countryman, me man not call you again. Time don't reach. Time don't reach. Oh, the man. Yeah, talk now, no talk. Now you be bonus call.
Yes, good morning,
good morning. Now who the call? Na man for Limbe or na man for from Foka?
I pass for David.
Yeah, Mr. David.
Yes.
How they know Mr. David?
No, fine. At the corner for that position where that fund for the where that fund the way could it put it feather for money for title would have for money head. You don't be correct because I know we were at tradition. At tradition, the ever function need to you as a chief or a phone you get for the way the proof say you.
Okay. Now we get for tech where soft chief for side from Benon. Yes. Soft chief from Benon we get for talk, but you don't disturb me. Anyhow we do. Yes, anyhow we do. So the program not finish. The program not finish, say we leave them. Talk when we want talk now say it didn't say for help person for Cameroon na trouble. It didn't say for help na problem because somebody for inside trouble. When na Okada man, he don't hear how gun don holler. And holler na for he road where they pass with Okada. He when they pass, he see person we don't sleep or down with foot. You know, he see man we don't shoot up. He say, hey, let me put me for hospital. Hey, let me put me for hospital. As he don't carry that man, tie him from the back, go leave him for hospital. They start to take care about it. They come catch and say this, so he be complice for that man. If you believe it for the night, he die. I know they understand. This matter, Northwest and Southwest. This matter, this so I know they understand. But anyhow, we the only praise me all thing, it come for normal. So with the time, Honorable Jedangala, as people they don't appreciate what we don't do and you don't yet talk where people they don't talk that means say next year, he go cut cow for Bonabedi, cut someone for that side for Chop, cut someone for Tabiken, cut someone for side for Mbot, cut someone for, yes, for Mbot, cut someone for side for Kambe, and then cut someone for that side for Sa, yes, now so go cut and so. You know you're the honorable. Yes. And now some man don't talk, not like me. So next year, me any man they prepare. Thing what I want make me when I understand and say me will try for respect the self or we are self. Me will respect ourselves because it didn't say we know the respect. Respect not the first thing for this life. When you get respect, you know if you jam something, you know if you enter trouble. You know if you lack no nothing. But we know the respect we ourselves. Then they talk for person say, where you want to call this program? Off volume for TV for 7 years. Person they do the very thing. That means that person be normal country people. And they ask them whether if you be normal, you go for with Facebook page. General MOKO NJANGI has now we first na name for Facebook page that you write with for inside. Because they think don't pass it. And I don't beg when I say, Muna, when you receive our Facebook link for your phone, you share them for all your contact them, tell them, say, they so me they subscribe. So that means they follow thing where with the show and for inside the page. Page where they go now 20-something thousand people where they watch them. Country people. So when you enter there, you will know plenty thing them. Small thing where you put them for this so people that don't see them outside. So we thank Landis say we don't start the war again for January. As if we start for January 2023, it can finish. So don't start work again. And then with Mr. Francois, we there for corner, he says we celebrate in the modern way because all them now lover people. Landis say we and Francois now people them for love. They be lover boys. So I will buy them some tricot where they go write and they say lover boys. And then I put that hat for yeah. So that when you see them, you know say na them not. Okay. So with the time, any man way he don't support the program, which is for your on site, with the time he plenty, say me God he continue the blessing. With the back, people them for no need subdivision. With the back then say 2024, he say me the first when I wrote. For send me the first when I wrote, he say me when I first video they wrote, as they wrote a war, when I send about with me will show up. And again, with the big people then for that side, yeah, they come and say for Banso. People then for Banso. Me when I to begin the video when I on them for that side where send them for me. Oh, the problem then when I get them, me will show up. Till when you go for no need people them. This one a message. We did beg the mayor from call council and they talk and say me I dey beg you, let my brother. I dey beg you, let my brother say, Mayor, you and government when I don't be fine shed them for market for lasting better house. And then when I lock the shop them instead of give for rent, when I lock them now, that means say they shop them. It don't turn a flower where they make a me the market it look good or money where when I don't invest where no they bring no interest. Now fine business at the ask for mayor and parliamentarian. I never ask them for battle. Yeah, because when they store them still they where they don't lock and so. Now losses where with the losses. You see now good them now they can't shit outside. You see so that they stand the fine place where they don't be them. they stand am for nothing. Better when I give am for rent, me money the enter for council. Not be so. So, but me man no go tell you na different thing. Me go tell you na say, I dey beg say me give that shop them for rent. So that me money the enter for council. So, say we, me will go. I don't tire. We'll go rest sometime. My dinner, send this until we go buy some more one shot.